All right, let's go check out the price of these canvases at probably the most popular place to buy art supplies these days. That's right, Michael's. Here we go. All right, first, 8x10, $7.49. Here's a pack of 4 6-inch squares for $19.99, so basically $5 a piece. Now let's take a look at some bigger sizes. Here's an 18x24-inch canvas for $23.99. Now let's take a look at one of my favorite sizes. It's a 2-foot square, so 24 by 24 inches. This one's a little extra because it has the gallery wrap thick canvas. That is $69.99. Wow, $69.99. That's crazy. Another one of my favorite sizes is the 12-inch square. $19.99. Can you believe that? So crazy. Here's the last one. This one is 24 by 36 inches. And it's $26.99. This is the thin version. So it doesn't even compare. The fact that people paint on canvas still is crazy to me. You really need to start painting on wood if you want to save some money. Plus it's just better. I should be clear too that I am not anti-Michaels. I think it's sad and unfortunate that so many small independently owned art stores have had to shut down, but there's not much you can do about that, and that's probably a whole other video. Anyway, I shop at Michaels all the time, so I'm not against them, I'm against canvas. It makes no sense to me why it's so expensive. And I'd say most people buying those canvases probably aren't in a position where they're selling artwork for a lot of money. So it's just kind of sad. I can't imagine spending $70 on a 2-foot square canvas when you can spend about $10 for a piece of wood, and it's nicer to paint on wood in my opinion. So I'm at Lowe's checking out some wood prices. Check out how crazy this is. $20.25, and watch this. Look how big that is. It's 8 feet by 4 feet. For one, you can't find a canvas that big at Michael's, and two, that's only $20. Just think of how many 16 by 20s or 18 by 24s you can cut out of that big piece of wood. So there's a 24-inch square canvas at Michael's for $70. You can get 8 of those out of this one piece of plywood. So that comes out to about $2.50 each compared to the $70 at Michael's. And you get fun, cool wood grain to paint on instead of that gross canvas. So that's a pretty good deal. That wood's not too bad, but there's actually fancier wood if you need something smoother. And even that's pretty good price. Check this out. This one's $54.88, and check out how nice this wood is. That's also an 8 by 4 foot piece, but we're gonna go look at some other stuff now. So I'm currently editing, and I just got to a point in the video where I realized I deleted a section. Luckily I have some of the wood here. At Lowe's or Home Depot you can get wood like this. It's about 12 inches wide, 4 feet long, and these are, I think, about $8. You can also get these smaller ones which are 3 to 4 inches wide, and they come in 4, 6, or 8 foot long lengths. These come in really handy for small paintings. I basically cut these into strips, and then I make little paintings like this out of them. I'm kind of guessing, but I think a 4 foot length of this is about $6, which is pretty awesome. Now, back to Lowe's. This is another section where I buy wood for paintings. These are pre-cut, which comes in handy if you have to squeeze them into a small car, but most of these are 4 feet long and 2 feet wide. It's a really nice wood. So this sheet here is $10. There's thinner ones here. These thin ones here are $12.42. There's even these really thick ones, which I think are too heavy. You can get one of those for 26 bucks. There are also some 4 foot squares here. Most of these look to be kind of rough. They're not as smooth as the nicer wood. This one's not too bad. So this is a 4 foot square for $15. When you think about a canvas costing between $50 and $70 for a 2 foot square, or you can go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get a 4 foot square for $15, it's just crazy. And the really great thing about buying wood at one of these hardware stores is they can cut it to any size you want because they have this awesome saw right here. I've literally bought those giant pieces of plywood, brought it here, and they've made 4 or 6 cuts or whatever I need, and they'll cut it to any custom size I need, which is amazing. Obviously, if you're still painting on canvas, after seeing the difference in the wood prices here, I think you need to make the switch. So hopefully this helps you out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button so you don't miss the next video, and I'll see you tomorrow.